Hello everyone, in this video we will see how to assemble magnifier lamp with neon LED light to BSG 20 India Drill Resharpening Machine. This is additional accessory provided by us on customer's application and request. To assemble magnifier lamp with machine, we will need holding block, 5 mm Allen screw with nut and washer, M5 grub screw, 4 mm and 2.5 mm Allen keys. Now we will see how it is assembled. Behind the machine we will find two holes. We have to assemble holding block there with the help of 5 mm Allen screw. Tighten the screws with the help of 4 mm Allen key. Fix nut and washer by inclining the machine. As you can see, holding block is been assembled with the machine base. Then assemble the magnifying lamp with holding block. Tighten M5 grub screw, which will hold the position of magnifier lamp at one place. As you can see, magnifier lamp is been assembled to the BSG 20 India Drill Resharpening Machine. Adjust the magnifier lamp as per your requirement. It has a goose neck, it will move easily. Now, seeing a drill bits which are small in size is easy task. If we have to work on small drill bits such as 2 mm, 3 mm or 4 mm, this accessory can be prove useful. This magnifier lamp is a flagship product because of its dual application of magnifying and illuminating light. Apart from this, we also have magnifying glass which will be used only for magnifying the objects like drill bits. It won't accommodate LED light, hence you will find a good price gap between two of our accessories. As per your requirement, you can get these accessories. Thank you.